Welcome! If you've recently noticed those animated sticker effects popping up in Telegram Web, and you'd rather keep things simple and distraction-free, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn off sticker effects on Telegram Web using your PC. First, go ahead and open Telegram Web in your browser, and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top left corner. You'll see three horizontal lines, sometimes called the menu icon. Click on that to open the main menu. From here, find and click on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all your customization options. After entering Settings, scroll down a bit until you see Animations and Performance. Go ahead and click on that section. Now you'll see a few options related to how Telegram handles visuals and animations. Look for the section labeled Stickers and Emoji. This is where the sticker behavior is controlled. You should see an option for sticker effects. If it's currently enabled, that means those animated effects are active. Simply click the toggle to disable sticker effects. Once you switch it off, the change applies instantly, so there's no need to save anything. That's